The key to increasing your sales is to be able to grab the attention of your target audience by addressing their pain points and their concerns. At the end of the day, you want them thinking, how do they know me so well? Do they have access to my Google searches?
Great. How the heck do I even start to get in the heads of my target audience? How am I supposed to know what they're Googling? Is there a group I can join, a number I can call, maybe even a psychic I can visit?
Hey, none of those. There's actually a free online tool, Answer Socrates, that you can use. Keep watching this video and I'll show you how it works. First things first, off we go to the World Wide Web. Before I show you exactly how AnswerSocrates.com works, let's start off with some of the things that I really love about this tool. Number one, it's free. Number two, it is very easy to use. Number three, you do not have to create an account in order to access the information. Number four, it is pulling real-time data. And number five, you can actually download an Excel spreadsheet with all of this information that then you can share with your team. Now, let's start off with the most important factor, which is where exactly is AnswerSocrates.com pulling their data from. In order for us to see that, let's head over here to the frequently asked questions section of their website. If we come down here, it does tell us that it is pulling from Google Suggest, People Also Asked featured questions, and Google Trends data. Now, if you're wondering what exactly Google Suggest is, it's the autocomplete that Google search engine does whenever somebody is typing into the search bar. So for example, like this. Now, because this tool is pulling data from Google, it does have information on trending topics. You could easily just scroll up and you'll notice that it is right here. Now, the data that it gives you is the topic, right? And then it tells you how many searches per month have been done on that particular topic. Now, if you click on more questions, let's say I want to click on this one right here, more questions, then it's going to show me all of the information that it has pulled in regards to that particular topic. But now, let's go back and talk about how as a small business owner, you can utilize AnswerSocrates.com. So the most useful way for you to utilize this is to actually come here to the general homepage and type in the topic that you are looking for. So let me walk you through a real life example of how I'm going to use it. Now, here at the Seasoned Marketer, we have a course called Rock Your Fair that is geared towards craft vendors. So basically business owners who want to sell their products at craft fairs. We walk them through how to do a really stellar setup, to following up and engaging with event attendees, to, just general stuff you need to know about licenses, etc. And so let's say that we want to create Instagram Reels that are going to capture the attention of crafters, right? Because that's our target audience. So the way we would want to utilize AnswerSocrates.com is to help us figure out what kind of questions these crafters are searching for. So right here where it says topic, we are going to put in a seed term. A seed term is about 1 to 2 words that is going to help us just kind of get an overview of what people may be looking at. So our seed term for this particular inquiry is going to be craft fairs. Now, under the country, we're going to specify and keep it United States. You can actually change this so that it's modified to fit your needs. And we're going to keep the language English. We can always switch that up if we want and if that would be something that's useful. We're going to select search. And here it's going to tell us some of the questions that people are typing into Google. And so these are interesting because here it's showing you, where are the craft fairs this weekend? Can you make money at craft fairs? What can I sell at craft fairs? Are craft fairs worth it? So I can go in there and create any type of Instagram reel that is going to really answer some of these key questions. Okay, tips for craft fair vendors. So we can do any type of video content that is really focused on these topics. Now, as I scroll down, I can see that some of them are repetitive. What craft fairs are this weekend. So it seems that people are looking for craft fairs. Now, in this part, this is where it really tells me that people are going in there and they're looking for local events to attend. And so that is great information for us, because maybe something we can do to modify our course is to add in some type of a directory that would give people an idea of craft fairs that are going on locally in their state or something along those lines. So this is all information that we can utilize to our advantage. As we scroll down, we will get a lot of the same type of information. People just looking for craft fairs and flea markets near them. Let's see. Are craft fairs worth it? That seems to be something common that they're asking. Can you make money at craft fairs? Additionally, it shows that people are looking for displays for craft fairs. So we could do some type of video content that actually shows us building a display table. And then that would be intriguing enough to where the reel would actually be targeting craft fair vendors who then we could pitch and sell our course to. So as you scroll down, you'll see you just have a bunch of data and information, and it presents it to you in a very organized way. Now here at the bottom are some of the queries or questions that people are asking. Again, one of the things that I really like about AnswerSocrates.com is not just that it gives you the information and displays it in different ways, but you can also come over here and click this button at the top that says download CSV. And what it will do, it will actually download a spreadsheet of all of this information. So if this is information that you need to be sharing with somebody else on your team, you can easily share that with them so that you guys are looking at the same queries and you're able to really develop your content as a team. Whoa. Okay, pump the brakes. So you're telling me that I can use AnswerSocrates.com for anything that has to do with content generation, for example, blog post ideas, questions that I could be answering on Instagram Reels that will specifically target the people I'm trying to reach, and possibly even use it to generate ideas for like courses that I can create that ultimately will bring in additional revenue to my small business? Yep, absolutely. So what do you think? Honestly, I could see myself using AnswerSocrates.com at least once a month. I mean, if anything, it takes all of the guesswork out of trying to figure out what people are searching for online, and it should help me create that connection with my target audience a lot quicker, because at least I know that I'm providing them with information that they're actually looking for. Hey, if you're an SOB, small-owned business, stick around and watch this next video right here. And don't forget to go to our website at www.thisseasonmarketer.com, where we have a plethora of other free marketing resources. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe to our email list, so that way you get a weekly email talking about even more marketing news and information that you can use to grow your small business.